सब्सक्राइब एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन एंड नेवर मिस एन अपडेट फ्रॉम अस। टेक ट्यूटोरियल्स के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल फेनोमेनल स्कूल और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। Hello and welcome to the Phenomenal School. This is Puneet and this is the third video of Kotlin programming. In this video we are going to learn how to print hello world. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. First question is which software should I use? So guys, we have two software, Android Studio and IntelliJ IDEA. So guys, in this video we are going to use IntelliJ IDEA to print hello world in Kotlin. So guys, this is my IntelliJ IDEA. Now we have to click on create new project. Now simply click on Kotlin/JVM, next, and project name. Now click here. As you can see, my hello world Kotlin program is here. Simply right click on src folder, new, and Kotlin class file. Simply click here and type Kotlin and click on OK. Now guys, you have to write your Kotlin code here. So guys, let's write hello world program. Fun main, this is main function. Now if you want to print something, you have to type simply you have to click, this is our hello world program. Simply you have to click on run and run this project. So guys, as you can see, hello world program is working. So guys, in this way you can print hello world. So guys, now we are going to discuss that how this program works. So guys, first line is the main function. This is the main function which is mandatory in every Kotlin application. The Kotlin compiler start executing the code from the main function. The function takes array of string as a parameter and return unit. You will learn about function and parameter in later chapters. Guys, the second line is a println hello world. The println function prints the given message inside the quotation marks and new line to the standard output stream. So guys, this is the way you can print hello world in Kotlin programming. If you like this video, please press the like button, and if you want more video in Kotlin, so guys, please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned with us.